Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an update on this case because we have a new update. And according to Observer, it says one of the three men charged in relation to the abduction and murder of 27-year-old Tashana Patterson and her 10-month-old daughter Soraya Pauwell has pleaded guilty to 2 counts of murder and 2 counts of kidnapping. The defendant entered the plea before the Supreme Court judge sentenced Lorna Shelley Williams on Thursday afternoon. He is to return to court on November 15th for sentencing. The man is among 4 persons charged with the macabre killing of the mother and child whose father is Member of Parliament Philip Pauwell. So as I was looking up this case, I saw an article from Jamaica Gleaner which gave a little bit more information than the one from Observer, and I had to include both in my video. 3 other persons, 2 men and a woman, remain before the court in this case. Reports are that the man who pleaded guilty drove the other accused men to the location where 10-month-old Soraya Pauwell and her mother, 27-year-old Tashana Patterson, were killed. It is further reported that he collected the money from the female defendant, which he paid to the men after the deed was done. So he is the one that took them to go get Soraya and Tashana from the house. He is the one that also paid them. I don't know. This is my opinion. I think it may have been Leoda's cousin, the one that is said to be her cousin, who is name is being withheld because he know exactly what his cousin is capable of. That's just my opinion. It may be another one of them, but with that being said, the fact that he pleaded guilty says that he is going to have a reduced sentence, because the way that Jamaica's laws are set up, if you plead guilty to a crime, you are going to have a less sentence because you're acknowledging the fact that you did something wrong, and also you're not wasting the state's money, time, and effort in taking this case to trial and wasting the government's money, basically. Also, if this person is pleading guilty, I want to know if the state, are they going to use this person to take down the rest of the co-accused that are being accused of killing Tashana and Soraya? Are they going to give this person a lesser sentence if they testify, understand about everything that happened, and testify against the other defendants? And I see a lot of people saying that they hope they rot in jail forever, and they hope that Leoda also rot in jail forever. Based on the laws on the law books in Jamaica, I think that's highly unlikely, especially if Miss Leoda have a nice top shot lawyer like Peter Champagne, or somebody that really knows what they're doing as far as law is concerned. People like Blackman that pleaded guilty to 6 or 8 murders only got 25 to life in Jamaica. So based on other cases like that, I highly doubt that Leoda and her co-accused are going to rot in jail. I am of the same belief that when you commit certain crimes like a murder, you should rot in jail. I definitely think that they should rot in jail. But this is why Jamaica's laws and legislation need to change, because stuff like this, they'll get a slap on the wrist, 10 to 15 years, and they go about their business and act like nothing ever happened. So what are your thoughts? I think that they will actually spend a lot of time in jail is if they try to use them as a example because they killed somebody of status child, and somebody that was in Parliament's child, that is the only way I think they will rot in jail, if they use them as a example. But that's just my opinion. If I'm gonna base it off other cases have shown me that Jamaica's laws and legislation need to change. So as this case develops, I'll give you guys more information. But so far, this is what they are giving us. And this goes to show that what they said happened actually happened. The hire for murder plot is definitely what happened, because one of them has pleaded guilty. I don't know if his conscience is bothering him of what they did, or he don't want to go to jail for the rest of his life. He see his mortality in front of his face and he wants to come clean. Whatever the case may be, we are going to see this case to the end. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.